Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Travels and Coffee. We had less than 24 hours in Barcelona, so here is what we did. We booked a hotel close to the beach and spent the morning there. Next, we took the train to the center of Barcelona city. Our first stop was to see the La Sagrada Familia. The basilica was designed by the renowned Catalan architect Antoni Gaudi, who dedicated the later part of his life to the project. Gaudi's distinct style, blending Gothic and Art Nouveau forms, it's evident throughout the structure. The construction of La Sagrada Familia began in 1882 and it remains unfinished to this day. Gaudi worked on it from 1883 until his death in 1926, at which point less than a quarter of the project was complete. Gaudi's architecture in Barcelona is characterized by his innovative use of materials, organic shapes, and deep inspiration from nature. His works have significantly shaped the city's architectural landscape and continue to attract visitors from around the world. Next, we saw the Casa Mila, also known as La Pedrera. It is famous for its undulating stone facade and wrought iron balconies. Our next stop was Casa Bateo, known for its skeletal, flowing forms and vibrant facade. It is a masterpiece of modernism. The facade is adorned with colorful ceramic tiles, while the interior boasts undulating lines and organic motifs. Antoni Gaudi has left an indelible mark on Barcelona with his unique and imaginative architectural style throughout the city. We end the day with famous Spanish dish paella and catch back the flight to Dublin. Adios and gracias. Thank you for watching.